Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn about the new hook that is ng after content checked. It is a lifecycle hook that Angular calls every check of the content projected into the component via ng content used to detect and act upon the changes in projected content even if they occur after initialization. ng after content checked is especially helpful in the scenarios where content changes dynamically and must be validated, monitored, and modified during the component's lifecycle. When and why use it? To monitor and respond to changes in the projected content over time, you can use it when the content projected into the component may change dynamically and you need to perform logic or updates based on those changes. Let's take an example. You will get more clear on this. So let's use this one. We have already the child component, right? So this is our user dot child and this is our main one. So I'm going to just add this is app user. Okay, this is my child component. This is the HTML normal with p tag and the button. Then we have a parent code. Okay, so here we have the parent. So we have a message and update message, right? So let's add this or initialize this one with this. Okay, update message, so updated content and initial content. Okay, now the child component. So here we have a ng content child component. Let's add the content child, then after content checked. Okay, so in that one, go there, just add this. Okay, and then we have the after content checked, and then we have to add this after content checked. Okay, anything that we have missed? That is initialization of this paragraph. Let's fix this. Okay, so this is fixed right now. Okay, let's go to the front end. So here you can see that content checked initial content. Okay, content checked initial content checked. So you can see that random it occurs very frequent. Okay, so when I try to update the message, what will happen? Updated content. Let's clear this first. Then content checked, updated content. Okay, so here you can see that ng after content checked, and this is dot paragraph dot int element dot text content. We get the value with the help of this. Okay, with the content child because it's a child one. Okay, so here you can see that it's a child, right? Because it's a child component of for getting the this to be rendered, we are using the ng content for that. Here you can see we have ng content. If I'm going to just comment this one, so this won't be showing anything. Okay, so with the help whatever you have projected into our main component, right? Like this is the main one. So and it's in the child, so you want to access this one, so make sure you have to use the ng content there. Okay, to get that one, right? And here we are using after content checked. So here you can see that with the how to get the access of that one with the content paragraph is the reference that we have given here, and with the help of this and this all thing happening in our child component, right? So after the content checked, so whatever value we have, you can do the manipulation accordingly. Okay, so this is that one, right? So content projection, the parent passes the p element with the message variable into the child via ng content. So parent passes the p element with the message variable into the child via ng content. Dynamic updates, the parent updates the message dynamically when the button is clicked. Okay, here you can see that when the button is clicked, right? When the button is clicked, we are going to update the message, that is updated content. Okay, and what else? ng after content checked runs after every change detection cycle to ensure that the project content is up to date, so logs the current value of the message to the console. caused every change detection runs more frequent when the ng after content in it detect content changes, use it to act dynamic changes in the projected content, avoid expensive operations since it runs every change detections, keep the logic efficient, avoid performance issues. So this is what ng after content check hook. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.